Justin Bieber, he started out as a kid uploading songs on YouTube, and out of nowhere he became one of the most talked about stars in the world. But behind all the flashing lights, there was a darkness that almost broke him. And today, people still ask the same question: how did he survive all of it and manage to make a comeback? His story began in a very ordinary place, a small town in Canada, growing up with his mom. His dad wasn't really around, money was tight, and opportunities were limited. But Justin had one thing that kept him going: music. An old guitar at home, a piano at the church, and that little camera that captured him singing. Those homemade videos uploaded to YouTube, they were the spark that changed his entire life. Within months, he was pulling in millions of views. A kid nobody knew on the street suddenly became the internet's biggest obsession. And soon, the right people noticed. Scooter Braun discovered him, Usher stepped in, and before long, Justin was signing with a major label. At just 15, he was performing in front of thousands of screaming fans. And here's the critical part: that kind of fame at that age isn't just a gift, it's a heavy burden. Justin never really had a childhood, no teenage years to figure himself out. Instead, he was thrown on stage in front of cameras, with the entire world watching his every move. And people didn't just want his music, they wanted every detail of his private life. When Baby blew up, the world couldn't get enough of him. But with all the love came hate too. He broke records, yes, but one of them was for having the most disliked video on YouTube. Millions adored him. But millions mocked him, bullied him, even hated him for no reason. Now ask yourself, if you were that young, could you handle carrying both love and hate from the entire world on your shoulders? That's where Justin's real test began. On one side, fame, money, luxury, success. On the other side, paparazzi chasing him, scandals, public meltdowns, cancel culture. It was a weight no teenager should ever have to carry, and for a while, it nearly destroyed him. But one thing never changed. When Justin grabbed the mic, something clicked. That invisible bond with his fans, the energy of thousands singing his songs back to him, reminded him why he started in the first place. That connection may have been the only thing keeping him alive. Looking back today, Justin Bieber's story isn't just the story of a pop star. It's the story of a kid who paid the highest price for fame and somehow found the strength to fight back. His return to the stage wasn't only about music. It was about survival. Justin Bieber's story shows us not only the bright lights of fame, but also its darkest shadows. At just 15, his journey skyrocketed to the top, but it nearly crashed just as fast. When his first album, My World, came out, he was still just a kid. Yet the world had already crowned him the teen idol of a generation. His song Baby became one of the most viewed videos on YouTube, but also one of the most disliked. Imagine that at just 16, millions of people either loved you or hated you. Could you handle that kind of pressure at that age? Bieber paid the price of fame early. The media followed his every move: relationships, fights, canceled concerts. He was forced to grow up in front of millions. The mistakes most of us make in private, he had to make under the spotlight. But the real breaking point came around 2013 to 2014. Legal troubles, drinking, fights, clashes with paparazzi. People even said, Bieber is over. But was he really? Or was this the beginning of a rebirth? That's when he turned his life around. He admitted to struggling mentally, opening up about depression and anxiety. This was huge. Even as one of the biggest stars in the world, he showed that mental health can break you if you ignore it. His honesty made him more human. Do you think the biggest battles celebrities fight are with the world outside or with themselves? Then in 2015 came purpose. With songs like Sorry, Love Yourself, and What Do You Mean, he rose from the ashes. Critics said he matured. Fans said he's back. The album wasn't just a comeback. It was a turning point in his life. But Justin's personal life was just as much a headline as his music. His on and off relationship with Selena Gomez kept the world talking. Later, when he married Hailey Baldwin, fans split into two camps. Some cheered him on. Others said, "We've lost the old Justin." Isn't it strange how fame works? Even your private choices become global debates. Still, there's one thing clear in Bieber's story. No matter how many times he falls, he manages to rise again. He revealed his struggles with Lyme disease, even canceled tours. But every time he found a way to say, "I'm still here." And it's not just music, fashion, fragrances, investments. Justin is also a multi-millionaire entrepreneur. But here's a question for you. Is it his wealth that keeps him going, or the connection he has with music? Today, he's still one of the most recognized names on the planet. But what really matters is this. He's no longer just a teen idol. He's someone who shares his pain, his mistakes, his losses. Someone who doesn't hide his human side. Maybe that's why millions still follow him, not just for his songs, but for his story. Justin Bieber's story isn't just about music. It's a mirror reflecting the weight of fame, the dangers hiding behind success, and the struggle to remain human when the entire world is watching you. From the outside, it might look like a fairy tale. Millions of fans, world tours, chart-topping hits. But behind the stage, there was pain, pressure, and battles that nearly broke him. And yet he's still here, still standing, still singing, still letting people find their own stories in his voice and in his scars. Think about it for a moment. It wasn't fame that saved him. It wasn't money that healed him. Awards didn't protect him. What truly saved Justin was his decision to keep going when everything seemed to fall apart. Isn't that something we all secretly admire? The courage to rise again when the world gives up on you. Every chapter of his journey carries a lesson. His rise at such a young age reminds us that dreams can become reality when we least expect it. His darkest days show us that even the brightest stars are still human. And his comeback proves that even after hitting rock bottom, healing and growth are still possible. Now I want to ask you, which part of Justin's life speaks to you the most? His rise to global stardom as a teenager? His honesty in admitting his mistakes? Or his strength to rise again against all odds? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Because this isn't just a celebrity story. It's a reflection of all of us. You, me, everyone. We've all faced failures, doubts, heartbreaks, and yet we've found a way to move forward. That's why Justin's story matters. And don't forget, this is not the end. New music, possible world tours, fresh projects. Maybe the best chapter of Justin Bieber's journey hasn't even been written yet. Imagine that. His greatest era could still be ahead of him. If this journey touched you, don't stop here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so we can keep discovering more stories together. Because here, we don't just watch stories. We feel them, we live them, and we draw strength from them. Justin Bieber has proven one powerful truth. No matter how dark life gets, there is always a path back to the light. And maybe, just maybe, the story you're living right now will one day inspire someone else.